Asia Pacific Rayon is committed to reducing the carbon footprint of its products by 50% per tonne of viscose staple fibre. And we will continue to meet our mill's energy needs by using only renewable and cleaner sources of energy. Our decarbonization, or reducing our carbon footprint strategy, focuses on avoiding and reducing emissions along our whole value chain. This includes installation of solar panels for our integrated energy network, capturing and reusing heat from existing sources, and investing in solutions for the next generation. We will support the goals of our supplier APR Group, which is to have net zero emissions from land use by 2030. Together we will do this by conserving and protecting wildlife habitats like the Restaurasie Ecosystem Real, APR's huge conservation project on the Kampar Peninsula. And then APR will help women in conservation, and we will work with forest communities to help them find ways to make a sustainable living.